Welcome, Smash Fanatics, to the fight in the forest. Zulu Smashers Dino Ice Age Surprise. Round 10. In this corner, we have weighing in at 2.35 pounds and over 25 surprises. From the Polar Peaks, it's the terrorizing pterodactyl himself, Blizzard-Dactyl. And in this corner, world champion toy collector. He collects it so you don't have to. It's the guy with the blue glove, Toy Insanity. Alright guys, let's keep it clean. Let's have a fair fight. 3, 2, 1, begin! Come on, dude. Ah! Ah! TKO by Toy Insanity! Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you thumbs it up. Champion, toy collector, Smash Master of the Smash Arena, Toy Insanity, back with some more Slime-tastic Dino-tainment. Smash Insanity. Alright, this is the third and last of the 3 Ice-tastic Megas. The $25 packs. Smash Dactyl. Now, what do they call it? Polar Dactyl. Blizzard-Dactyl, okay. Ah. Okay, alright, okay, here we go. Oh yeah, gonna need some water. That's fine. Okay. Alright. Let's dissect this fool. Ah. Oh, nice. Oh, the slime is busted. Dude, I really punched that thing hard. You know you punched it hard if it busted the slime bag. Well, that had to been from the time I punched it just now, though. Or there'd be slime everywhere. Very cool. 2, 4, 6 crystal slime. The little nest to build your egg. Let's go and look at this head. Blizzard-Dactyl's head in frozen slime. Oh, I like that sculpt. This might turn out to be my favorite of the 3 Megas. And he has a tongue. They're all shown in the drawing with a tongue. A big, wild, wacky, derpy tongue. But none of them end up having the tongue in the sculpt, except, apparently, Blizzard-Dactyl. Well, I know the bone dinos in this series before this one did have tongues, but they weren't painted. Ah! Wow. Putty patrollers. Look at that mess. It's a tail and 1 cloven foot. The stretchy snow has an odd smell. It smells like detergent or something. Oh, nice. Each wing is going to have 2 pieces and 2 colors. They're going to be able to flap, I think. Okay, well, I got to get some water for the fizzy dye bomb. And we'll put some water in that too. Okay, well, of course, look at these. I'm excited to see which 6 regular smashers I get in this pack. All right, thumbs up for Blizzard-Dactyl. Be right back. All right, Toy Insanity back with the Ice Age Round 10. I got to tell you, I thought I was saving the least interesting one for last. But I may have accidentally saved the best for last. I think this is going to be the coolest of the 3 sculpts. Now, the motion feature is not in the wings, but the wings are pretty solid. I kind of like the, you know, it's got like holes in it, stitches and such, just like the mini, or I should say the regular. But I'm moving the tail left to right, which moves the head left to right. Very cool. That's a great sculpt. All right. We got 1 foot, and we gotta find the other foot, and I guess some legs. Put some water in there for our Blizzard bomb. And we'll put the rest of the water in the faux snow. Wow, look where I had the Blizzard bomb laying on the slime. Extra blue. All right. Let's see what body parts are in this snow. A leg. And the other leg. So I guess all that's in the Blizzard bomb is 1 foot. Fizz and find a foot. Let's check our regulars. Gotten this guy so many times. Ice Ox. I almost said Tricerazom, but that's a guy from the last series. Tundra Triceratops. What is the raptor called? Ice Raptor. Chili Mammoth. First appearance. Or is it? Extra cold. And the last one. Chatter. Tooth. Tiger. Let's find that foot. And then I'll get Blizzard-Dactyl the rest of the way assembled. There's the foot. We got all the parts. They were all here, man. They were all included. All right. Big blue thumbs up, and I'll be right back with them all assembled. We'll check him out in all his glory and detail. BRB, thumbs up, love you. Be right back. All right. Guys, I really do think this is the best one. Blizzard-Dactyl. Wait, Blizzard-Dactyl. Just something about that sculpt. Hang on. Very cool. Very red. I think I might like it the best because it's symmetrical and flat-footed. Flat-footed, facing forward, bilateral symmetry. Okay? You know the other ones, you gotta have like 1 foot raised because that's how the sculpt is. Let's do the motion in the tail. Alright, his wing's about to fall off. But it's all good. I'm happy with him. I wish I could have got some better regular smashers. But you know, what are you going to do? Alright, well this is it. This is it. We are done with the 3 big, bad, mega baddie dinos. Look, I got a treat for you. Quick finger reveal. Look at this. Look how stained my finger is from barely touching the Blizzard bomb, the dye that's in that calcium bicarbonate portion of this $25 pack. All right, we got Ice Rex. We got the 3 big eggs. Couple more minis. Thumbs up the video. See you in the next round.